What if I told you the biggest startup mistake? It doesn't happen during development. It happens before development starts. No coding, no design, no planning. Because most founders start with, bro, I want to build an app. And suddenly the developer starts saying backend, APIs, cloud hosting, scalability, admin panels, security system. And non-technical founders keep saying okay, okay, okay. So until a 5 lakh quietly becomes 25 lakh project. So today we are not discussing theory. We are opening the Triple Mind mobile app cost calculator live. And together we will build an app like actual founders. Let's start. So this is what address is tripleminds.co. You can find the mobile app cost calculator. So here's a page which is saying mobile app development cost calculator, get instant estimates. So we need to click on calculate app cost. So we have clicked it. The first question appears. It is asking which platform do you want to build your app for. So here are the options. One is Android app, second is iOS app, third is both Android and iOS app, and fourth one is PWA, which is a web app. So let's click on both Android and iOS app. We've clicked here, and now we'll go to the second question. So the second question appears, which is how will you provide the app's UI UX design. So again here are four options which you need to click one of them. First is yes, design is ready, which is Figma and Adobe XD based. Second is yes, I have the competitors app, make something similar, which you can tell to the developer that I want a similar kind of app. Third is I only have wireframes, rough sketches which you have actually imagined on your paper and page, so you can show them. You can click if you have those. And fourth is build the full design from scratch. If you have nothing with you and you want an app to be developed, you can click this. Let's click build the full design from scratch. So here we clicked it, and we'll go to the next, which is they are asking about the target. Who is your target audience? In this section you have three actually options. One is local, which is for the single city if you are working in a shorter scale. Second is national, your app will be shown in the country level. And third is global, which is international. So let's click on national. Click next, which takes you to the fourth step, which is fourth question. It is asking how many user role will your app support. It means how many users will handle your app. So again there are three options, which is single, only end user, which is you only, and second is admin. You wanted to be user or you wanted to be admin, this is you will decide. And the third option is three or more, like user, admin, vendor. And if your requirements are more than a user, more than an admin, you can choose this. Let's choose the second one, which is two roles. One is user and second is admin. So we are clicking here, and it takes us to the fifth step, which is what is the overall scope of your app. They are asking it. Options are four. One is small, 5 to 10 screens. Second is medium, 10 to 20 screens. Third is large, 20 to 40 screens. And fourth is enterprise, 40 plus screens. So they are asking how many screens you wanted to show your app. So you click. Let's click on medium, 10 to 20 screens, and click to the next. Sixth step, it is asking, do you need multilingual support, which is actually for statewide or national wise. You can see which of your audience will go to have this experience. So here are three options, which is number one is no, number two is yes, 2-3 languages add, third is Yes, more than 3 languages. If you are planning that you show your ad to those states which have 3 or 4 different languages, you can choose this. Let's choose no, that I need only one language. We can actually add languages afterwards also. So let's go with the no and click the next. It is the 7th question. It is asking what is your expected launch time. So they are asking in how much time you wanted to launch your app. So their options are in 1 month, in 2-3 months, in 4-6 months, or no deadline, flexible. Whenever we can feel the app is ready, we can launch that. So let's go for 2 or 3 months section, which actually a good time to launch an app. We have clicked it and we'll click now next, and here's the 8th question appears, which is asking what backend admin panel do you need. So again, there are various technical things which will be appearing in the options. It is the options are, number 1 is no backend needed, only one already have the person who's handling it. Second is basic admin panel, which is managers uses and you can view the data. Third is full CMS with role management and analytics. And fourth is enterprise. It includes CRM, integration, audit logs, etc., etc. So let's start it with no backing needed, only one already using it. So let's click here and go to the next. So the 9th question appears, which is asking for the industry for what we are looking to develop our app. So yeah, numbers of industries showing here: e-commerce, education, real estate, entertainment, healthcare, travel, tourism, fashion, lifestyle, fitness, wellness, casino, event management, and blockchain. So there are many options there. Let's choose e-commerce, and we have clicked it, and let's go to the next. So next step is how will user register and log in into the app. So like if I'm using some apps, so sometime I need to log in through my email ID, and sometime I need to register through my phone number. So it is basically asking, the options are, number 1 is email ID and password, number 2 via social network, which is your social media platforms, third is 2-step verification, they ask you the OTPs and all, and fourth is no login required. So let's go with the email ID or password, or shall we go with the social network? Let's go with the social networks. You log in your social network and you can access our app through that social network password and other prompts. So let's click next. So here's the 11th question. Do you need user management features, which are basic? The user can show their profile, they can edit, they can delete whatever they want. And second is advanced. It gives you the access levels and roles. Let's choose the basic, which is actually profile, edit and delete base, which is quite basic. And after clicking the basic, let's click the next section. Step number 12. It is showing, do you need content manager management features, which are it is asking basically, do you need some more features in your app. So the options are no, yes, static content only, and third is yes with admin upload panel. These are basic requirements. Let's go with the no. I'm just telling you those things which are basically wanted by the guy who have very less experience in technical positions to develop his app. So we are continue with the options of very basic one. So we have choose it number no, and we will click it on the next. So we are on the 13th step, which is asking how will your app handle media or the file uploads. So here are again the 4 options. Number 1 is no file handling, number 2 is image only avatars, 3 is documents and PDFs, and 4th is large files video uploads. So we will click image only avatars and posts. Now the next. So the 14th step is do you need reporting and analytics. So it is asking us do we really need what's going on to the app and to the market and the analytics which we are using. So the 3 options, one is saying no, second is basic reports, usage and traffic, and third one is advanced dashboards which includes charts and KPIs. So we will go with the basic report and click the next. So 15th, it is asking do you want in-app notification control. So we go with the basic notifications and click the next, which took us to step 16. It is about should the app work offline. Sometimes user needs offline access also. So it is up to us whether what kind of access we wanted to give to the users. So 3 options are no, online only, number 2 is basic, view cached data online, and third one is full, read and write saying when online. So we'll go with the basic again because we are actually playing with the basic tools for the users who wanted to develop their app on a basic knowledge of app development. So we'll go every options which includes basic, we'll click those options. So we have clicked the basic and now we'll go with the next. Step 17, asking about do you want advanced search or filter in the app. Options are no search required, basic search, filter, sorting, live suggestion. As we are developing the e-commerce app, we'll go with the basic search because user need to search their particular products or whatever the services we are providing in our app. So we'll go with the basic search. We clicked here and to the next. Now this is the step 18th and it is asking about does your app require location based features. Sometimes you might have experience with the apps. When you access those apps, it asks about your location notification and location features. So there are 3 options, which is number 1 is no, number 2 is basic location access, number 3 is real-time GPS map integration. Real-time is like as we are operating the e-commerce side, we actually need the real data, real location of the user to deliver the variables to the user as soon as possible and as accurate as possible. So we go with the real-time GPS map integration and we go to the next now. So it is again do you want e-commerce functionality, because ours is a e-commerce site. So we'll go with the basic cart checkout. The options are no, basic cart checkout, third one is full e-commerce with coupons and reviews. Because we are starting it, we are new to it, we'll go with the basic cart checkouts. Just fill the cart and checkout and the deliveries will be to your address, delivers as soon as possible. We have clicked the basic and we'll now click to the next. The step 20, which is asking us to confirm do you want to integrate payment in your app. So sometimes you as an app operator, you always try to get connected with the customers with some some features like cash on deliveries, good payment platforms which people won't feel any stress on paying the payment of that product. So here's the 3 sections, which is number 1 is no, number 2 is payment gateways, Stripe and Square they are providing, and number 3 is multiple gateways and wallets. because in India there are already multiple wallets and gateways operating, and I must suggest that we should go with the multiple gateway and wallets from the very first scratch. Whether it is a new app or it is a old app, we'll go with the multiple gateways and wallets. And now we'll click the next. So this is the question, do you want chat or messaging features? As this is the e-commerce site, the customer might have some questions regarding some products, regarding some services, so we choose user to admin chat only. The user and admin will chat. No chat is the option, and another option is real-time user to user messaging. User to user, we don't actually providing the services to the users that they can interact with other users, so we'll go with the user to admin chat only and click the next. This is a step 22. Do you need real-time or streaming features? Options are none, basic real-time updates, video audio streaming, playback, and video calling, web RTC. So we are, again, as we have decided to launch our e-commerce site, we'll go with the basic real-time updates, what products we are launching, right now, what products are on the hot list. So these are the options. Some of the options might be there on our app, so we'll go with the basic real-time updates, live data. We have clicked here, and now we'll click the next. So next question is, do you need to integrate any third-party service or APIs? So options are no. Number 2 is 1 or 2 APIs, SMS, email, etc. And number 3 is 3 or more APIs, custom and external. As our app is basic, we'll go with the no, because we don't know about this feature right now as a basic app admin. So I rather suggest you to click for the no and then to the next. Now the next question is, do you want user to share content from your app to social media? That will increase your reach to other people also who are not your users, but they are using social media. Options are no sharing needed, basic native share sheet which includes link and image. Number 3, rich custom previews, deep links and share tracking. Will go again with the basic, which is providing us the services like native share sheet, which is link and image based. We wanted to spread our e-commerce app as much people as we can possible with our efforts, and this is one of the best effort to share our stuff to the social media. We have clicked to the basic and will now click the next. So the 25th step, which is asking what level of security do you require? So here are 3 options. Number 1 is basic SSL authentication. Number 2 is standard encrypted data CCPA, and number 3 is high payment compliance pen testing. So we are, as a basic app developer, will go with the basic SSL authentication. We need the minimum thing at first. Now next, step 26. Out of 28, we are 2 steps away from our estimated cost. So the 26th step is, do you want to integrate AI based features in your app? So AI is the future. Options are no, basic chatbot suggestions, and third is advanced ML predictive analytics. We'll go with the basic chatbot. We need to chat to the users questions, and AI is there to help us. Suggestions and chatbot will use with the AI based features. So we'll click basic and we'll click the next, which took us to 27th step. So you can say it is second last step to get our estimated cost. So you want a web version, responsive or admin portal. Options are no, responsive web version, and third is full web app parallel with the mobile. So as we haven't choose this in our first step, we haven't choose the web app mode, so we'll go with the no, which is our first option, because later on if we decide to have this, so we can think over that, but on starting we'll click on no and get to the last step of this estimated exercise. So last step is, it is asking how do you plan to host or deploy the app. Options are not sure, need help. Option 2 is App Store and Play Store only, and option 3rd is also need hosting and maintenance. So we'll go with the App Store Play Store option, which is asking to host or deploy the app. We'll deploy the app through App Store and Play Store. So we have clicked there, and now we are on the final click. You can see this calculate estimate is written here. We'll click here, calculate estimate. So instantly, within a few milliseconds, we'll get the $13,694 to $15,749. It will be cost us in between these two figures. One is $13,694 USD. Second is $15,749 USD. So our app will be covered in this much of amount. When we are using this Triple Mind app, which is a quite good, quite standardized app calculator, when we use it, we can see each and every question, we can see each and every detail here on the dashboard, that what actually they asked us to do and what actually we asked them to do for our app. So simultaneously, it's a vice versa kind of thing. They asked us, we answered them, and they provide us the estimated cost. So the Triple Mind is providing you the assurance of 20 to 30% discount on this price. Like, this is the price which we have calculated, and if we get the services of Triple Mind to develop our app, they are assuring us to provide 20 to 30% discount on this price. Means if we are spending 50,750 USD on our app, we'll get the 30% discount out of it. For getting this discount, I must suggest you to use this click, which is contact us now. Click it and fill the details, and you can have the experts from Triple Minds and start your app journey. And thank me later, because I'll come again with few more interesting informations regarding Triple Minds and their services. Till then, thank you very much.